In this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook Messenger stuck on waiting for network on Android. This usually happens because of network issues or sometimes server problems. So let's go through a few quick fixes. First, switch your network. If you are on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If you are on mobile data, try Wi-Fi instead. Then reopen Messenger. Sometimes the app fails to connect depending on the network or DNS. Next, turn airplane mode on for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off. After that, relaunch Messenger. This refreshes your internet connection and fixes small network glitches. If it still doesn't work, clear Messenger cache. Go to your phone settings, then apps or app management. Find Messenger from the list. Tap on it, tap on storage, then clear cache. This removes temporary files without affecting your chats or data. Finally, check if Messenger is down or not. Go to Down Detector and search for Messenger. If you see a spike on reports, it means the issue is from Facebook servers, so you will just need to wait. And that's it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.